Hello, good afternoon everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook banana pancake. So the ingredient for the banana pancake here I already prepared. I have ready here is 100 grams of flour. I have slices of banana. Ready here I have also prepared for 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or melted margarine, whatever you like. And here I also have 200 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt. So in the next step, we are going to mix all the ingredients. First, we put the baking powder into the flour. Next, I put the sugar on the flour and a pinch of salt to make more tasty. Without salt, it's a different taste for this. And then I use whisk to mix all stuff, make it well, so all will be combined together between baking powder, sugar, salt, and flour. Satu, dua, tiga. We mix it well, the flour. And the next step, I will gonna mix all stuff, milk and also the melted margarine or melted what it was called is butter, and we mix it again, make it well. Afterward, I also put the egg inside. And then I mix it again. Just make sure the egg yolk and also the white egg is combined together. And then I put all the liquid here, mix with the dry stuff, little by little, and then we mix it well. Make sure that the flour and the liquid here is mixed well. Just make sure all the flour is get together with the liquid. After I mix well between the dry stuff and also the liquid stuff, I'm gonna prepare for the hot pans. So here I'm waiting for the hot pans. After it's getting hot, I use the serving spoon over here, and then I put it on the hot pan. Don't forget to wash your hand to keep it always clean and sanitized. Afterward, I put the sliced banana on the top of the dough over here. We waiting that the dough is getting bubble is coming out. And after the bubble is coming out, you can turn over for this one. So it's make sure that all the pancake will be cooked upside down. Okay guys, you can see here the pancake already coming with the bubble. We waiting another bubble is will be surrounded on the pancake, and make sure that you use the hot pan and unsticky for a pan, and then we turn over couple minutes to make sure it's cooked the other side, and then afterward we're gonna transfer to another serving plate. Then we turn over to see. Okay guys, look at this. This kind of beautiful pancake, isn't it? So I'm gonna transfer to another plate. and then I gonna cook for the next step until all the dough is finished. If you have a unsticky pan you have on you in your home, you just can use a little bit oil before you put the dough, or you like margarine or butter you can put first before you put the dough on the pan. There you go guys, this is the last piece of the pancake that I cooked. I check it, turn over is cooked yet or not. I think it's already cooked, and then I transfer to the serving plate over here, and all is done. And how we serve it, we just put some sweetened condensed milk or any kind of jam you like to have. It will be very delicious. There you go, the banana pancake. Thank you very much for watching and see you again guys. Bye bye. Thank you.